If you're like me, then you use tons of devices that require batteries. Items like computer mice, game controllers, keyboards, camera gear, and more. But let's be honest, most of us have like a messy drawer filled with batteries, and then some are charged, some are dead, and then honestly, some of them we have no idea. But today I'm reviewing the battery charging station that completely rethinks how we charge, test, and store batteries, all in one place. So this is the Ostation 2, and it's designed to make battery management simpler, smarter, and way more convenient than traditional chargers. So it retails for around $99, so let's check it out. First off, this Ostation 2 isn't very large. It's about 8 inches tall, 6 inches deep, and about 3.5 inches wide. So it won't take up much space on your desk or even a bookshelf. Now on the front of the charging station, we have LED indicator lights, which let you know at a glance what status is of your batteries inside. On the front, we also have battery compartments. So the first one is the invalid battery bin. So what it does is it automatically identifies bad or invalid batteries, and it separates them and drops them into this bin. So you can easily dispose of them or just remove them from the charger. Then we have the bins for fully charged and ready to use AA and AAA batteries, which the Ostation can charge simultaneously. It can actually hold 12 AA batteries and 12 AAA batteries, keeping everything organized and clean and compact in one space. And one of my favorite features is the polarity-free charging. So there's no buttons, there's no setup, and there's no need to check which way the battery goes. You literally just pop open the lid for the correct size of the battery and you drop it in. And so the Ostation supports any brand of 9H or nickel metal hybrid batteries or lithium-ion cell batteries. So that means you don't need multiple chargers anymore. One station can cover about 90% of your daily battery needs. Now before charging even begins, the Ostation 2 automatically detects each battery. So it identifies whether a battery is healthy or invalid, helping to prevent bad batteries from damaging your devices or slowing down the charging process. And there's no manual testing required. Everything happens automatically inside the station. So this is where the Ostation 2 really steps into smart device territory. So for every battery, you get real-time per cell data, including battery type, charge level, and charge duration through the app. Once you connect the Ostation 2 to your Wi-Fi through the app, you'll be able to monitor charging progress remotely, view per cell battery data, and check battery health anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home or at work or on the go. You'll always know what the status is of your batteries. And now if you're using Olight's EcoLast lithium batteries, this gets even more impressive. So these are the world's first AA-sized lithium-ion batteries with a built-in battery management system. So inside every EcoLast battery is a smart chip that syncs directly with the Ostation 2. So because of that, each individual battery can report its unique battery ID, its health status, and recharge cycle. So you can see all this clearly inside the Olight app. This is the kind of visibility that you normally only see in larger battery systems, but here it's packed into a standard AA size battery. It lets you monitor each battery individually, spot aging cells early, and retire bad batteries before they cause problems. So the Ostation 2 takes something boring like battery charging and turns it into a smart, streamlined system. If you want fewer chargers and less clutter and total confidence in your batteries, well, this is probably the most convenient solution out there for that. I currently have been using one of the previous versions of this product at my church to keep our AA batteries that we use with roving mics fully charged. And it totally removes the stress of potentially using old batteries at the end of their life that might die right in the middle of a meeting. So I definitely recommend this product, and like I said in the beginning, it retails for around $99, and depending on when you're seeing this video, there's actually a special going on where they're knocking down 20% off. So if you use the link down in the description, you can check to see what the current price is for this product. So if you have any questions about this, please post them down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video review.